Welcome to GCCars. My name is Eric, and today we're going to take a night POV drive in this 2021 Chevrolet Colorado. Nope. Colorado ZR2 was what I was saying. And yes, the belt is squeaking at 10,500 kilometers. Don't ask me why. So you can't see much right now. Right hand side, you'll see the stats though, and like all the important stuff about this truck. Night POV drive. We're gonna drive around here for 10-12 minutes. It's probably gonna last, and we're gonna test the headlights, high beam assist, and I'm gonna show you these bad boys, which you can probably not see right now. And yeah, but if you want to hear all my thoughts about this ZR2, make sure to click at the top right hand corner, and you can find my full review where we do exterior, interior review. We talk about how it handles, we talk about its off-roading capabilities and all that. So yeah, make sure to find that up there. And on that, we're just gonna go ahead and drive. Thank you. Okay, first of all, before we get on the road, I want to show you one little thing. What we right now have is just our regular headlights, right? Nothing too fancy. Then I will just point into this park because there's no roads in there and no people should be in there. Our high beams look like this. Quite the difference, right? Well, then we have the ZR2 Dusk Edition, which adds these bad boys. So yeah, it's pretty bright, as you can see. Of course, you shouldn't use them on the road because it's a little illegal. But they're meant for off-roading, obviously, right? But if you off-road and yeah, wanna see everything, you got those. So they're pretty cool. They're pretty cool, and definitely will outpower your high beams by a lot. Okay, I lost a little bit of orientation here for a second, so now we can get in drive. This truck does not have a high beam assist, so we have to manually enable and disable the high beams. But I didn't expect this to have high beams, so high beam assist, so that's fine. Okay, and let's turn on the high beams. Pretty powerful, honestly. I don't know if the regular headlights are just super weak, but I don't feel like they're weak. The high beams are just pretty good, I think. So, just on and off. As soon as we're level, or somewhat level. Quite the difference. And is that a car? Yeah. Okay, so we'll leave them off. And yeah, during the night POV, I won't be talking too much. That's the reviews for that. But we got other POV drives. We got a highway POV drive, and we got a city POV drive. Just different driving scenarios here. And obviously, main video with the full review where we go in depth on everything. Also, if you have interest if you're interested in cars in general, I review pretty much cars every week, so also that. If that's your first video of mine you're watching right here, just want to tell you that. But now let's make me shut up for a second here. Turn on the heated seats and the heated steering wheel. Just because it's a chilly night out, -8 degrees Celsius. as you can see right now. So I don't know what's that in Fahrenheit. It's about 20 Fahrenheit, roughly. 15 maybe, 25 maybe. I mean, somewhere around there. It's cold, okay? I'm just having fun. I like this truck. I like this truck, I can tell you that.
Okay, on the intersection, let's do an acceleration out of a turn, just like we always do in this. Do you want to turn off traction for that? Yeah, why not? Turn off traction. Don't want to spin too much though, because we want off-road tires, right? Not made for street handling. But I just want to make sure that no system interferes here. That was two-wheel drive, by the way. So that was all rear-wheel drive. Decent. Was actually a little more timid than I expected, I'll be honest. Okay, that concludes our brief night POV drive. I think, honestly, pretty good headlight performance. Despite not being LED lights, pretty good performance. The high beams work well, and obviously we got these bad boys, eh? Let me just flip her a bit to the right. I just want to make sure no light bleeds over there. Yeah, we got these bad boys. I just want to see them on site. We're gonna be so blind here in a second. I just want to mention that. So if you don't want to see that, I'll just show you the image. So left side is the review, right hand side is something else. The YouTube algorithm picks those. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you liked the video, and let's get blinded by the lights. Oh, wow. Okay, yeah, that's pretty blinding. That's pretty blinding, but pretty bright, pretty bright. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you and goodbye.